He stole the box from me, right? That might be worth about 1 crore. Huh? Over and above that, you have stolen 10 lakhs rupees from this guy.
You heard that? 10 lakhs.
Then you have stolen 1 lakh from your owner.
Now 11 lakhs.
My sister's money.
Hey, just hang on, dear. Talking as if I have actor's sister's money. Wait, I'll clarify. Then you have taken 10 lakhs rupees from this English lady also.
Now 21 lakhs.
You're very good in calculations. Why are you working with me, man? You could have worked somewhere else, na? Now, where did I stop?
Sir, you forgot about these English
Hey.
people. No. You actually told about them.
Now, if you just give me the box back to me, I will settle all their dues, man.
My sister's money.
Yeah, I'll give you that also.
But sir, then what about my money?
I'll give you also, man. So finally, what you're giving?
Yeah,
now?
I will give.
Okay, come. Hey, lift everybody, come
Only
on.
shifting. No escape. Get up. Come on, get up.
I think I forgot something, man. Hey, just pack up everything from here. Huh? Hey. How many times have you seen in movies here? When you see the sword, just put your guns down. Just put it down, man.
You came to my place, put the gun in my mouth and threatened me? First I'll kill the guy who touched my daughter. And then I'll kill all of you. Hey, you guys, what are you waiting for?
Look on the other side.
Buddy, so many twists and turns, buddy.
Sister, can I shoot this guy?
Hey, wait, dear. You and your sister only think about shooting people down. Hey, the affection that a foreigner has, the Indian people doesn't have. I'm talking to you, and what are you watching?
I'm looking at the watch, boss. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Do you know what day it is today?
What?
It's your birthday!
Oh, yeah, I seriously forgot that.
Hey.
Happy birthday.
Keep quiet.
Thank you.
Bring the cake! Buddy, just see
Hey,
that.
what is all this, man?
Who's the boss here?
He's standing in front of you.
Oh, fine. Can you just sign here, sir? Birthday wishes from Amazon, sir. Have a nice party.
Thank you. What is all this, man? What is this? Huh? Table salt doesn't have an order, man.
Yeah, you're right,
Hey, let
boss.
me speak, man. But if you don't put it in the food, it's actually insipid, man. Insipid, man.
Boss.
People order food from Amazon, but you have ordered something really amazing, man.
Here, boss. Cut the cake.
Wait, I'm coming.
You're the greatest boss. You're the only one who cut his birthday cake with a sword.
But something is missing, man.
Sir?
Huh?
Birthday song, sir.
Oh, my wonderful boy. You only sing, right?
Okay, sir. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Idiot.
Happy birthday, dear Nanachi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear boss.
Encounter! Not even a single one should be left alive.
Not a single one is alive.
Oh my God, our guardian angel, huh? What a story this is. Not a single woman, it's a woman itself, huh? What do you say, man? Hey, you killed everybody in the encounter, huh? If you do, it's only a counter. Only if I do, will it be an encounter. Goodbye then. Ah.
He's a theatre owner. Must have seen a lot of movies. That's why must be confused.
How are we going to prove this, madam?
These gangsters already had problem among themselves. That's why they would have shot people all around. They shot even our inspector who was their partner. CBI will have an inquiry. Media will be excited about this. Home Minister will have a little bit of pressure. The moment there is a different problem, everybody will forget. That's all.
Brother, everybody died. Let us escape from here now.
What happened? Come, let's go.
Where will I come? I don't have any money at all with me. Where will we go now?
Keep it.
What is this? How will I go to London with this?
London. Keep this also.
Yeah, you only keep everything. You have 5 lakhs with you and you will take care of everything now. Go.
Open your mind and tell me, buddy.
Brother, you have 5 lakh rupees at home, no? If you give me some money, then I will also survive, na?
Some money. How much you want, buddy?
Half of it.
Half the amount. Buddy, I have a family, buddy. You know that. Where did you go? Buddy, where are you? When did this happen, buddy?
Morning, I saw her at the temple. Now she is my family. Baby coming soon.
Good decision. Come, let's go.
Come on.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Come, Daddy, come. Are you back?
I'm gonna beat you, idiot. Are you finished roaming the town? I asked you to buy medicine for my knee pain. Did you buy them? I'm sure you have bought them. Also some medicines over here.
You always say this, but you don't do it, mom.
You think I won't die, is it? Your mother very support woman.
Okay.
Listen, little one. Give the medicine box. I'm gonna eat everything and die over
Yeah,
here.
grandmother.
We will go to London. Don't worry about
Buddy,
it. Huh?
keep it. Count it, buddy.
Thanks, brother.
Daddy, grandmother really bad ship. I'm really scared.
What had happened here?
I don't know. Why didn't you come and have a
What
look?
happened to her?
Okay, you girl, come. Go.
Come, let's see.
Mom! What happened, mom?
Brother, your mom is giving pose for selfie.
Hey, just keep quiet, buddy. What happened to your grandmother? Which
I
medicine
didn't know
did you give her?
anything, Dad. I just give you the medicine from this box.
Brother, this is the same box.
This box is worth 1 crore rupees.
1 crore?
1 crore! Take my children, leave immediately, mom.
Don't forget to take the medicine for me here.
I'm bringing all the medicine. Take which one you want.